guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So we're doing another Zodiac video, you guys. We're doing Pisces, a Pisces inspired look. And I'm really trying to make this look because it's very wearable, very soft. And I'm trying to make it so that if you're a Pisces, you can feel comfortable wearing this look. And hopefully it'll be your favorite look from now on. I don't know, we'll see. So I am doing a Zodiac series, you guys. I've already done Aquarius, I've already done Capricorn. So make sure you go check those out. I'll put the playlist up here in an iCard for you guys. So I'm using the Zodiac pigments. Those are the star of the show. And I'm using the sign that I'm doing and any of the compatible signs that I can kind of throw in, I will. So today I used the fish, which is the pigment for Pisces, and I used some of the maiden, which is Virgo, and Virgo and Taurus are compatible with Pisces or Pisces. Am I saying that right? I don't know. Hopefully I'm saying that right, you guys. So I've already kind of done a look using these same colors for the Zodiac review that I did on this whole collection, but I think that this one's really nice because it's I made it very wearable and really easy to achieve. So also, you guys, I'm letting you guys know that I am going to be doing a giveaway in the next Zodiac video. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. Also, if you're wondering, on my nails, I have on the Kale polish in Pisces, and I think it is so gorgeous and so beautiful. I just absolutely love it. So that is what I'm wearing on my nails. But I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up, and also if you're new, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. And yeah, let's just get started with this makeup look. Let's go into the Misunderstood palette from Colourpop, and I'm getting into Tragic, which looks like this, like a bone color. And I'm putting that into the crease / transition. I'm going to make something very soft and wearable. I kind of used this, the fish, I believe it was the fish, in my review of the Zodiac. So I'll put the link for that up here so you can check that out. And then I'm going to get into the Colourpop, the Zodiac Colourpop palette. And I'm going to get into Virgo. Now Virgo and... or not, sorry, Virgo. I'm going to get into Taurus. Taurus and Virgo are compatible with Pisces, so I'm going to kind of try to incorporate those ones in today's video, but I'm going to put Virgo, the Virgo, into the crease. To kind of deepen it up. So, Pisces, I love Pisces. They are the most sweetest, most gentle, most loving. They just believe, they believe people very easily, and they're so amazing. I have a friend, I don't know if she's watching this, but Brittany, hey girl, if you're watching this, sweetest, seriously the sweetest, so lovable, so friendly, so creative, which is like typical Pisces, like so creative. And because they're so friendly, they have such a variety of friends, I feel like, which is so cool. It's so great. Okay, I'm going to deepen the outer corner with the Virgo right there. And I'm going to try to make this very wearable. So Pisces can be fearful, and so I wanted to make something that's wearable. So I'm just deepening this part out, but I'm not going to smoke it too much. And the reason I'm doing this is to give it dimension. And I think this would just be a beautiful, simple look. Like, we're not even going to wet the pigment because I want it to be very wearable, not scary whatsoever. So that if you are a Pisces, you can feel comfortable wearing this look, hopefully, and this can be like a staple, and you can feel like you can own it, and you know. So I'm just gonna kind of bring that out a little bit. I'm gonna get into the fish pigment from Colourpop. Now, next Zodiac video, I think I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, so make sure you're kind of like staying tuned with, like, that you're subscribed, that you're kind of staying, you're up with the videos that I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to do it on just a brush, and to kind of try to minimize fallout, I'm grabbing it on a brush dry and I'm just kind of tapping it out on the cap just so there's not so much fallout. And I'm just going to kind of just sweep it over the lid. I'm even going over the dark brown. And kind of just going back and forth to kind of blend it out. I want like the lightest wash. I'm going to get a small brush and I'm going to go into the Maiden. Again, this is Virgo. And I'm going to just put that in the inner corner. You can definitely wet your brush to get like a really cool metallic look, but I wanted it to be very wearable. And I'm going over the crease, that brush I used. I think I'm going to go back into Virgo a little bit and kind of make sure it's still deep out here. I'm going to do a wing today. I think that you don't have to do a wing if you're watching this and you feel too weird to do a wing, but I'm going to do a wing. I'm going to use my Sigma liquid pen eyeliner. Okay, I'm going to pop some lashes on really quickly and then I'll be back. Okay, I've put on some lashes. These are the lashes I got in the Boxy Luxe box. I don't know where the case is for it, so I don't know what these ones are called. I'm just going to use my Too Faced Hangover RX primer. And I am going to use the Dior Forever Skin Glow in 2WO. It's the best, my best match at this point. I'm not going to keep telling you guys in every single video, but you guys know why. So something interesting I found is that Pisces like to be alone, and again, very similar to me, myself. So they like being alone, sleeping, music, romance, visual media, swimming, spiritual themes. They don't like know-it-alls, being criticized, the past coming back to haunt them, and any kind of cruelty, because again, they're very, very, very gentle. Just so sweet. And I can definitely vouch for that. It's kind of like the first thing that I notice from like my friends that are Pisces is how gentle and like sweet they are. And how, I don't want to say gullible, but they just believe people easily. Concealer, of course, the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless Concealer. Conceal, and then I'm going to set my face with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Powder. For contour, I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs Tantastic Contour Powder. And I'm going to use the Luxie 680 brush to just kind of contour my face rather back here and blend it out. And my nose. And I'm bronzing up the cheek with this baby. You guys know, this is the only bronzer I really love. It's really just nice. Look at that. Nice. All right, in the lower lashes, I'm just going to use the Taurus to kind of buff that out. That's it. I don't want to do anything too much. I want to leave it very soft, so it's something that if you were a Pisces, you would want to wear. I don't know. It's kind of my thoughts on that. Okay, I'm going to use this Sigma blush in Cor-de-Rosa because it's so beautiful, and I think you guys would like that. So I'm going to use that. And then for highlight, I'm actually gonna use this. This is Maleficent from Colourpop, from the Villains collection. I'm dying to use this, so I'm using this as my highlight, and I'm just gonna use my finger. Lips. Maybe just a gloss, like a light gloss, so it's not too much. Maybe a peachy lip with a light gloss. Okay. Oh, here we go. Let's use Hades from Colourpop, the Villain collection, which is a nude. And then I'm going to rub it in so it gets really, really natural. And really soft. And then I am going to put this baby. This is Puppies, the lip gloss from the Villains collection, right on top. Oh, that's beautiful. What do you guys think? I think it's a very wearable way to wear like a teal pigment. What do you think? Okay guys, so what do you guys think? I hope you guys really liked how this came out. I feel like this is just a lot more wearable than last video where I had that blue all over. Can be a little bit too much for some people, but I really like how this looks, and I would just wear this out to school, to work. I think it's soft enough and there's like neutrals enough. I just really love it. I hope you guys really liked it. Let me know what you guys think down below, and let me know if the things that I kind of talked about Pisces, if those match you. If you're a Pisces, do those match? Do those seem right? Like, let me know down below. You guys know I like to hear what you guys have to say. Anyways guys, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.